Hello everybody, this is the Midwest Fan Collector here with a air conditioner video. And today I'll be showing you this GE air conditioner. I believe this was manufactured February of 1996. I picked this up today at a Habitat Restore in Columbus, Ohio for 20 bucks. I mean, I usually don't pick up more modern looking air conditioners, but these things are childhood. I used to see them a lot as a kid. And I thought, you know, for 20 bucks, I'll pick it up. It's not bad. It's in somewhat decent shape. The side panels aren't dry rotted out like most of them are. All right, we'll start it up on low fan. It's not a bad little air conditioner. There's high fan. And now we will go to the air conditioner. There's some controls. I will say this little air conditioner gets pretty cold easily. And it's pretty quiet compared to a lot of the other air conditioners. Give you a walk around. Alrighty folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later.